In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 47, which covers verse 124 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse addressed Abraham's Lord, tested him in certain matters, and when he successfully stood the test. Up to this point, we've covered the first 123 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Qur'an deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Qur'an. Let us now begin with verse 124.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَإِذِ ابْتَلَى إِبْرَاهِيمَ رَبُّهُ بِكَلِمَاتٍ فَأَتَمَّهُنَّ قَالَ إِنِّي جَاعِلُكَ لِلنَّاسِ إِمَامًا قَالَ وَمِنْ ذُرِّيَّتِي قَالَ لَا يَنَالُ عَهْدِ الظَّالِمِينَ.
Translation. Recall when Abraham's Lord tested him in certain matters, and when he successfully stood the test, he said, "Indeed, I am going to appoint you a leader of all people." When Abraham asked, "And is this covenant also for my descendants?" the Lord responded, "My covenant does not embrace the wrongdoers." The words of the verse.
وَإِذِ ابْتَلَى إِبْرَاهِيمَ رَبُّهُ بِكَلِمَاتٍ فَأَتَمَّهُنَّ.
Recall when Abraham's Lord tested him in certain matters. Here you should understand that, at various places, the Qur'an enumerates the severe tests through which Abraham passed. It was only after these had been completed successfully that he was able to establish his worthiness to serve as the religious guide and leader of all mankind. From the moment when the truth was revealed to him till the moment he died, his life was a continuous tale of sacrifice and suffering for his cause. There is no conceivable object of man's love and attachment in the world which Abraham did not sacrifice for the sake of the truth. Likewise, there is no conceivable danger which instinctively frightens man which Abraham did not encounter for the sake of the truth. The words of the verse.
قَالَ لَا يَنَالُ عَهْدِ الظَّالِمِينَ.
My covenant does not embrace the wrongdoers. This specifies that God's promise of the conferment of leadership applied only to those of Abraham's offspring who were righteous, and that the wrongdoers were naturally excluded. This also makes it clear that just as the promise did not apply to the misguided Israelites, it did not apply to the polytheistic Ishmaelites. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 47, covering verses 124 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Insha'Allah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 125. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Qur'an and act upon its teachings. Keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, Insha'Allah, and Allah Hafiz.